There will always be recalls.
So let me share with you some early stats that are coming out of a 2022 JD Power initial quality study. Found that electric owners or the owners of electric vehicles and plug-in hybrids reported an average of 240 for the electric side and 239 problems on the hybrid side per 100 vehicles respectively. And that compares to 173 for the ICE vehicles, right? So the internal combustion engine is not creating as many problems, not necessarily recalls, but problems that electrics and hybrids are. So these are all opportunities that will probably result in a visit back to the dealership for ongoing servicing or some kind of interface with the dealer. So there's going to be plenty of opportunities. This is on top of all the data that you're seeing regarding tire wear, right? Because the propulsion or the torque in EVs is much greater, as well as the weight. And so you're looking at tire wear, perhaps replacing the oil change is the reason why people need to go back and visit their dealer.